Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 2nd July 2023 and the week will end on Friday 7th July 2023. Today in this specific video I'm going to discuss gold US dollar, and I'm sure if you follow the analysis you will have an edge over those traders who don't know these levels, and I'm sure if you follow the levels it will be giving you nice and decent trading profits. You may have seen in the previous videos since this year. If you see and if you watch my previous videos you will understand that yes, the strategy works really well and it will be working very well for you too, but you have to understand it. And how do you understand? Definitely you can understand by watching my videos, and I'm sure if you watch the videos you will have no confusion. And if by chance if you have any sort of confusions, contact me on the WhatsApp number. I will be helping you. So today on gold US dollar, let's have a look at this. The week closed very nicely, bullish I should say. The overall trend is still the bearish, and I will be discussing that as well. So first of all my friends, let me tell you that what I have discussed in the previous videos, on gold, what specifically I was looking for is that from 2062 and 2044 I became a clearly bearish towards 1911, and if you are following me, 1911 was my zone. Now 1911 is a long-term zone, and definitely at this price point, from this level it is clearly suggesting an up move towards 2014 and somewhere closer to that zone. So first of all, if you see, let me show you that. Let me delete everything, and simply I will be doing nothing, but I want to just refresh our minds a little bit and to see this bullish trend, that where it started and where it is going back up. Because if I want to predict the market right here, definitely I will have to study this whole structure right here, and in several of my videos I have also given you this plan and this technique, that how to read a market structure. If you have more problems you can comment me, and I definitely will be making further videos about these structures. So first of all, the previous trend, very excitingly it ended right here. If you can see, very fantastic move. It was down and we have traded that as well. If you are following me you may know. Now right here we have got a triple retest, or a double bottom and another double bottom right here. I have discussed this as well. So the trend became changed for me definitely when it gave me this breakout, and the breakout was not just a breakout, but it was also confirmed by the price that okay, now we are going back up. Just have a look at it. The market was coming back down. Obviously it an initial, because in the downward trend we got some correction, a drop, and when this was stopped right here, that was the first sign of a trend reversal. So the first sign, a little bit of consolidation. The second sign, still we are not sure at this price point that if it is going back up or not, but when we have got this breakout right here, if you see, still we could say that okay, the market is now going back up and it is a very nice opportunity to trade. So to trade it, definitely we have got a retest of this previous level, and since then it was trading up and still it is trading up. So from here, a very without any correction, a very nice move from here till there, and followed by a retracement. So a retracement occurred, we got another confirmation right here. See, very simply the gold structures are, and once we get it, we got this thing from 2062. I became bearish. So I became bearish from 2062. I take trades from there. It went a little bit, $10 against me, and I became further bearish from 2044. What after that, since obviously the market was going back up and this was trending up, so when it went back up there and it started to resume, what I said was that I'm looking for this Fibonacci level, which was somewhere near to this 1911, closer to that zone, 1910, 1909, 1911 zone. And we have seen some nice volume right here for the long term. So from here, definitely I will be discussing that, but we cannot ignore the importance of this trend line. Make sure I have a very detailed video on the trend lines if you are interested into the trend line strategy, because you know, in markets there is nothing but just the trends. Everywhere you find will be trends, the uptrends, the downtrends, the correction trends, the pullback trends. There is nothing more than that. And if you see, this is standing at a point where it is definitely showing me a bullish sign. But since I'm a Fibonacci trader, I have some long-term trades up there. Maybe on Monday and in the upcoming week I will be closing some of the deals. There is unfortunately one level on the 1940 that the week that ended yesterday. Before that, from the last week, not the one that ended yesterday, I'm clearly holding this sell position, and even I discussed it, but I clearly said this is a long-term trade, and I have several positions from right here, and I clearly see the market is going back up. So now what next? Obviously let's delete everything since we have a clear information about the previous structure. So if we see on the weekly time frame, if we see, the weekly candle closed very like closed very nicely, 1919.17. It was expected, and when price was trading right here, I also have told several times that hey traders, don't panic, hey traders, don't panic, because these are the fake breakouts and they will happen. Even yesterday on Friday, and or maybe on Thursday, I have uploaded a video and I said this is a fake out and look for potential buy trade. So I'm sure if you have seen that video, you will be now in clear profits. Now on the H4, what's next? Obviously price from where it reverses off. Let me show you from where it reverses off. Definitely it is clearly showing me an up move. The first thing, I want to repeat it again and again, the market has not yet been completely bullish, and I will be showing you that why it is not bullish. If you see right here, you can clearly find out that it is standing at a Fibonacci zone. So anything can happen in the forex market, but if during the week, if we get a close above 1929.90, I'm sure enough that will be then completely bullish, just like I have shown you on that daily time frame. If the market gives me something like that, this is going to be a very nice opportunity. So what's next? Definitely I'm looking for 2014 and 2008, somewhere closer to that zone. So what I'm going to do is, and what will be my trading plan, obviously since I'm holding these buy positions, but I have to close them as well, and the long-term levels are definitely way up there. So let's look for some weekly trade opportunities. Now the long terms definitely I have covered in detail. The short-term opportunities and the weekly trades, RSI, first of all, it is at 77.08 and near overbought situation. So if the RSI is near overbought situation, if we see right here, and if we closely observe this right here, at the moment this market is clearly bullish to me. And even on the daily we have got a confirmation right here, the first confirmation, we have got the second confirmation, and whenever we have two confirmations, it means even if you want to take a buy trade from right here, you have to just set a 300 pips of SL and the market will be continuing straight up. Now remember, there are two levels. One is the Fibonacci level, which I usually discuss, and actually there are, this time I'm going to follow two Fibonacci levels, and most of you then ask me that whether to follow the 50, the 60 or 38.2% retracement. Let me tell you clearly that this particular trade opportunity is showing me an up wave towards 2008, right? So 2008 it is suggesting me at the moment, and there is one other level. This is obviously the 61.8% retracement right here, and the other level which I think can become a nice take profit zone, I should say, and that is 1986. 1986 in the upcoming week is so much expected. So from right here, if you can generate around 935 pips, still that will be more than enough, and I'm sure if you follow this trading plan for the long term, for the weekly, that will be fantastic. Now let's suppose this is market, if we don't get enough bullish volume and the market isn't pushing too much back up, then on the H4 there will be like some levels I want to give you which you can follow, and that definitely will be helping you really well. So first thing first, if you see, the market is clearly dropping from there. I have covered this whole rally to the bottom side. Then market went into a consolidation zone. Several trades I took right here, one go negative and 3 or 4 I won right here. My risk to reward is almost 1:3. Let's suppose if I want to risk $100, it will be giving me $300 of profit. So a risk to reward ratio, there is like risk to reward. Let me tell you something really quickly. Risk to reward, this is so much important, and I want to explain it a little bit because I received several comments about it. So risk to reward means whenever you want to put some risk, and let's say this is a trade opportunity, and each time when it comes back down with 100 pips of SL, let's say you are targeting 300 pips of TP, that is good. But I have seen a lot of the traders who take a risk of 100 pips and generate 10 pips. So that is a totally wrong concept, and I will recommend all of my audience and subscribers and the followers to stay away from such things. So for this really, obviously from 2044, I'm keep following it, coming back very nicely, followed by this double top up there, a drop. I have discussed it, we have traded it, a reversal. Market went into a sort of range right here, range, even I traded this one as well. Then 1911, 1929 was broken, and finally the market reached 1911 right here, where I became completely bullish on this market. So I completely became bullish on this one. Initially was giving me nice profit, it came back down, even it came back further down. Everyone was panic, everyone was selling and selling, and I was keep telling you that don't sell, don't sell, you can get into a trap. So let's say if you are holding any sell positions from up there for long term, it means like for around a month, I think it will be stuck, right? So my main goal is not to make you afraid of the market, but I want to let you know about the realities and my thought process, that I think that okay, this can happen in the upcoming week. So in the upcoming week, no doubt 1929.90, if you follow this plan and this level, I think it can give you some nice and decent trading opportunities. So more on this later. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.